Are you tired of manually managing your communication channels and ready to automate your SMS, voice, and other communication needs directly from your PHP applications? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps of installing the Telnyx PHP library, unlocking a world of programmatic communication possibilities. First, you'll need to have Composer installed and ready to go. Open up your terminal, navigate to your project directory, and use the command Composer require Telnyx TLNYX-PHP to pull the Telnyx PHP library into your project. Great, now that the library is installed, we need to include it in your PHP file using the command require _ once vendor autoload will bring in the library and set the autoloader so your classes are available to be used. Next, configure your Telnyx API key by setting the Telnyx API key function with your actual API key. You can find your API key in the Telnyx portal under the API keys section. Make sure to keep this safe and secure. Now you're ready to start using the Telnyx API. For example, you can now send an SMS message with a simple function call. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the Telnyx PHP library and are ready to start automating your communications.